If you're holding XRP, take a look at this, because I think it's very interesting. And of course, I'm trying to break some records here. Make sure you press that like button, because this news has got me pretty excited. Now, first of all, let me note that XRP trading has never been this crazy. I mean, a lot of you guys have realized the XRP price has been going insane, sure, but have you realized that the market cap has actually broken the old levels? So if we're taking a look, right, in terms of price, we're still like almost $1 away. But depending on what the amount of circulating coins was at the time, right, if we were to believe CoinMarketCap, the all-time high market cap was about 120 billion, and right now we went to about 150 billion. Because again, taking a look right here, the highest that ever went to is about 130 actually on the official stats, and the highest we went to this month was 165 billion dollars, right? So that's quite a lot. But a couple of things have happened throughout the last day or so that are not sitting really well with me. I'll show you. So a good thing is the market seems to be back in control. XRP used to be the best performer a couple years ago, and finally it's back in. We've got RLUSD, cool. We've got demand for XRP products everywhere, but it's actually this right here. This, in my opinion, is actually one of the more interesting announcements made today from Nick behind Coin Bureau. So he said something quite peculiar. It's not just the Koreans who are bidding XRP hard, because we've realized Korea just got shut down for XRP trading and the price fell quite hard, but so did it for Bitcoin. But then again, they over in Korea are trading XRP more than they're trading the actual stock market of Korea. That is kind of odd, right? On its own, the fact that they're that much hyped up, they're trading XRP more than their own stock market, to me, that's kind of odd. But anyway, I just try to point out this right here. It's not just the Koreans that are completely going crazy on XRP and are buying it like madmen. It's actually also traders over on Coinbase. The price premium has been elevated over the past month and has on a few occasions been north of 5%. Which I think is really crazy. So this is taking into consideration the premiums to purchase XRP on either Coinbase or the South Korean exchange 𝗕𝗏𝗏. And it just basically shows how much people are extra bidding on a platform like Coinbase here. I mean, it's quite crazy to me that actually 𝗕𝗏𝗏 has in some cases here been quite negative. But Coinbase, for the most part, if I'm seeing this correctly, has mostly indeed throughout the last month here been actually crazy bullish, meaning even here at one point, like what, a 7.5% or so premium to buy XRP on a platform like Coinbase. And I really wonder what this means. I mean, one thing that I think was quite interesting is that maybe some of the Korean exchanges right now are, even though they're seeing record amounts of volumes, maybe they're not really back into full effect. So what I meant was that right now they're not back into full force, even though the crazy amount of volume that went on, to just go back to their XRP trading or XRP purchasing. But I honestly don't fully get what's going on over there right now. I mean, I get the martial law situation, but in terms of the fact that XRP is more traded than the stock market and it yesterday just got disrupted, right now there's a lot of theories going around what that might mean. I mean, 𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏 just posted, Korea is leading in the XRP markets and has always sold XRP at a premium. According to 𝗕𝗃, they shut down exchanges temporarily due to a political crisis. We have since seen a correction in the XRP price once this happened. In 2017, the OGs remember that the XRP bull run ended when CoinMarketCap removed the Korean XRP prices because over in Korea, it was trading at such a premium. In 2017, the OGs remember that the bull run ended because of that. 7 years later, right now, indeed, think about it for a second, right? I'm not really into the conspiracy theories type of thing too much. As you guys know, I'm always keeping it real with you, and I think I'm always very level-headed. But I must admit that this is where even I get quite skeptical. I think I get quite skeptical from the perspective that they're literally shutting down all the crypto exchanges for a while. Yeah, martial law, sure. But they're trading XRP, right, or cryptocurrency, the one that's basically went on a crazy run back in 2017 that crashed when South Korea got removed everywhere. Right now, they were being traded more than the entirety of the stock market in a day, or at least in that period. And then all of a sudden, it also gets shut down, XRP price dumps. It is interesting. And now before I move on, if you're not pressed that like button yet, make sure you do so. Also guys, if you're looking to trade crypto right now, I've got a link down below to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, which is the platform that we are trading on. So you can go ahead and check it out. Just link is down below. And right now there's also more giveaways, more wins. You know, the more you trade, the more you get. So check it out. You can use it from anywhere in the world as it's a non-KYC exchange. It seems like the same playbook, same sort of field. So this is so fascinating. Stay vigilant and pay attention. I am paying attention. And so the reason I'm saying it is exciting is because What if a lot of those theories that we've had before about the manipulation against XRP really are true? I've been reading so many different posts of people saying, you know what? They're giving you a chance. You know what? This is actually a plan. You know what? And I'm always like, nah, no, it's not really. These guys are being too overly optimistic, etc., etc. But then when I look into this, the fact that really this currency is traded more than an entire freaking stock market. The last time that XRP crashed, it was because they shut down the pairs from Korea. They didn't actually shut them down for trading, but they removed them from the CMC market cap calculation. So to put it into perspective, if we're taking a look at XRP right now, we go to markets, the calculation of price is basically a mixture of what these different prices are. And I'm guessing it's a combination of volume slash the price. So it's a sort of a fair price, right? But if we do selected by price here, we can see that some currencies, right now it's not fully loading, but some currencies, I should actually call them pairs, some pairs will be trading at way higher prices. For example, here against Brazilian lira or whatever, or against some other currencies, relatively the dollar terms is way higher. And usually, always at the top here are some of these South Korean exchanges as well. Right now, let's quickly see. No, and no. So right now, they're not really anywhere, which is quite interesting. Let's quickly go ahead and can we support, we cannot check by Korean won. That's kind of sad, but maybe they're not in it at all anyway. Wait, let me go take a little look. All right, so we have Upbit in there, right? And we've also found the Korean won pair, which right now is not trading at any premium whatsoever. Where is BitThumb? Here we go. We have BitThumb also once more actually at a slight decrease from the price right now. And usually those are, as far as I've seen, quite at the top. BitThumb here again at moderately high confidence. That's quite peculiar that those are not as high in confidence, huh? Anyway, still on their exchange, XRP is the most traded currency. As you can see, it actually generates about 23% of all the volume over there. That is quite interesting. But depending on how today goes, we've right now actually witnessed some of the lowest volume, because right now you can see the day, right? I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but it seems relatively today, even though it was quite an eventful day yesterday with such a major flash crash. It's interesting that that volume candle was not actually significantly higher throughout the day. But more interestingly, in my opinion, is actually that today, the day after such a crazy rigorous event, the volume has not spiked up. I wonder what happened right here. I wonder why it's so relatively low and kind of like nothing when it just had one of the absolute craziest crashes ever throughout the last day. I think that's quite peculiar there. I mean, of course, there was some additional volume throughout that hour, sure. But I would have expected right now for the volume to even be crazier based on the idea that they just witnessed this. And the price went as low as, whatever, 1650 Korean won, all the way down from like 4,000. So it traded like what? 50%, let's just call it discount, if not more, 60% discount. Wow, that's actually really quite crazy that it did that, huh? Anyway, as a baseline, I will quickly keep adding that I think the run is barely just starting. A lot of cool things are going to be built over the next few months. And I mean, this is the start of the altcoin season, in my opinion. But it seems from some weird way that, of course, the ISO coins have been doing crazy and it's been so amazing to watch. But all of a sudden, with the move yesterday, I keep getting more suspicious that there was something more to that. Maybe it really was just a coincidence. Of course, I'll be always neutral to say, yes, maybe, very much maybe. But it is interesting to me. XRP actually on the Forbes list, by the way, it was selected as one of the worst, actually, the worst coin to go for back a little bit ago. In March this year, Forbes selected 20 zombie tokens, and this hurt, by the way, because I was making daily XRP videos at the time, and I saw the price, of course, not really move. They selected 20 zombie tokens with XRP at the top, referring to assets that have little use other than speculative trading. However, the recent surge in the market value of zombie tokens has also caused the community to mock Forbes because, well, literally every single coin that they listed here as stupid, literally from the top down, is right now at some ridiculous price, right, in comparison to where it was at before. So all these coins were mentioned, and there's some coin like MINA, which indeed did not really do anything, but most of these, except for also Bitcoin SV and EGLD, have done some crazy numbers. Just look at that, huh? XLM up 500%, XRP up 400-something%. And if you compare that to Bitcoin, this is what we've always said, that in a good market, you just go for altcoins, you skip Bitcoin altogether, you sell it off, and then buy it back later, because this is usually how things perform. Then again, no, in this list, only XMR would have done worse than Bitcoin. The rest would have done way better.